going on YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Whiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So y'all already know, man, before we get this video started, make sure y'all head over to Mr. Skinny's channel. Tonight we're gonna be doing that Anytime podcast. Yeah, it is. That joint gonna be lit. He got some special guests on that thing. Unbreakable Kicks and your boy Alias, you know what I'm saying? We gonna be lit up in that thing, bro. So tune in, you know what I'm saying? Show up, show out, and then, you know what I'm saying? Watch the game right after. So y'all already know, man. I'm hoping Golden State take that dub tonight. What do y'all expect? You know what I'm saying? But I got an unboxing for y'all today. So no, it is not some shoes, but I do have some shoes en route that I ordered that I really wanted this year. Bam! Look at that. Y'all see what it is, man. So y'all see what this is? They go hand in hand. Yeah, it did. So y'all, let's go ahead and let's get into this unboxing, y'all. Got this off of Nike, y'all. Now this came from the States. Now, here's the goods. Y'all already see it through the package. Man, I had to, man. I had to. You know, Jordan last shot would not be right without the last shot jersey. So, shout out to Nike for releasing this. Now, I was not paying $400 for the authentic one. So, I went on ahead and I copped the Swingman. Now, that Steph Curry jersey, that's authentic. That's authentic, you know what I'm saying? It's cool though, you know what I'm saying? They wanted $400 for the authentic one. And I was like, nah, bro. I'm not giving y'all $400 for the authentic one. That's like if I want the Travis Scott Cactus Jackson, I can't get them joints for retail. I'll pay $400. I don't believe in paying that much for a jersey. So here we go, y'all. We got that Jordan Swingman jersey. You know what I'm saying? That last shot jersey. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, y'all go ahead and check the clip again. I showed y'all this clip yesterday. But go ahead and check the clip again, y'all.
Gets Brian Russell with a quick crossover. Look at Brian Russell slips, and Michael pulls up and buries the shot to give him a 1-point lead.
That may have been. Who knows what will unfold.
So the Swingman jersey is straight. Now, I'm gonna be honest. The Mitchell and Ness Swingman jerseys are nicer than the Swingman jerseys that they do with Nike. You know, you don't have that stitched on. It's not stitched on, y'all. It's just like that print. But this jersey was $120, you know what I'm saying? And I was just like, man, big Michael Jordan fan. So I got the pinstripe Chicago jersey, and I got the all white one already. So I was just like, man, let me go ahead and get the red one, do my thing with this one. Y'all already know how we do. But last shot Michael Jordan jersey with the last shot 14, you know what I'm saying? Copper drop, y'all. Is y'all rocking with the jersey or not? You know what I'm saying? Like I said, people rocking jerseys again, man. They coming back hard. I remember when I was in like middle school going into high school, man, back in the 2000s, you know what I'm saying? Folks was messing with them jerseys heavy. I had a New York Yankee jersey. You know what I'm saying? I still got them to this day. I still got my Milwaukee Buck Ray Allen jersey that bro signed for me when he came out here to Germany. So, yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the pickup. Appreciate all the love and support. Don't forget to go over. I will drop the links in the description to the bros channels, y'all. Y'all go hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for the bros. And join me on the Anytime podcast with Mr. Skinny. That's the bro right there, too. Like I said, we got bro Mr. Skinny. We got Unbreakable Kicks. And we got Alias on that thing. So, let's get to it. And yeah, y'all already know. If y'all haven't, watch the video for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Time is ticking. Time is ticking. You know what I'm saying? Until we I announce the winner on Monday. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all enjoy the NBA Finals like I will. I'm about to go get me a nap before it's time to watch it because it comes on at like 3 in the morning here. And I'm gonna do the Anytime podcast at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So gang, 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 gang. Michael Jordan jersey, y'all. Let's get it.